Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm Honest Fred. If your Firestick keeps pausing, freezing, buffering, or just acting slow, I get it. It's one of the most annoying things that could happen when you just want to relax and watch something. Today I'm going to give you 5 real fixes that actually make your Firestick stream faster. No nonsense, no confusing tech talk, just simple steps anyone can do right now. And stick around to the end because the last tip is the one almost everybody forgets, but it makes the biggest difference. Tip 1. Check your Wi-Fi strength. I know this sounds simple, but you need to check your Wi-Fi's actual connection strength, not your internet plan, not your router speed, your Firestick's connection. All right, to do this, we're going to go to our settings. Then we're going to go to network, of course. Then we're going to highlight our Wi-Fi. And you'll see bars, okay? So let's go through all of them. Now, you see, let's say, I don't know, this is yours. Obviously, this is okay. You know, it's all right. But if your signal strength looks like this or like this or like that, you got a problem, you know? So that means your Firestick is too far from the router. The solution is to move your router closer or make sure you use your Wi-Fi extender. This will actually help. You know that Wi-Fi extender came in the box. If you're not using it and you're plugging your Firestick directly in, you should probably use the extender. It brings the Firestick forward and, you know, actually boosts the signal. So that's what it's for. I highly recommend you use it if you haven't. Now, tip number 2 is clear your app cache. And this is huge. Your app builds up junk files over time, and that slows everything down. So to clear the cache, we're going to go to settings. And we're going to go to applications. And here we're going to manage installed applications. And we're going to click on the app that we use most. So, for example, if we are on Prime Video, we use that a lot. We want to clear the cache over here. And that's going to help. So we want to do that to clear the cache of all apps that we use frequently. So YouTube, clear the cache. Okay? Clear the cache. And let's say we're using Sling TV. We want to clear the cache there as well. So this is going to help. And something I need to mention, I repeat, do not clear data. That will log you out of everything and give you stress that you don't need. Just clearing the cache will instantly make your streaming smoother. So again, do not clear data. I cannot stress that enough. Don't do it. Next thing we want to turn off is unnecessary tracking. This one is both for privacy and for performance. Your Firestick is constantly sending data back to Amazon. What you watch, what you click, how long you watch it, and this all takes up CPU power. To fix that problem, we want to go to settings. We want to go to preferences. Then we want to go to privacy settings. And what we want to do is ensure that we've turned off device usage data, we've turned off collect app usage data, and we turned off internet-based ads. If yours is still on, this could be a problem here. So I recommend turning all these off. This will definitely help and make things a lot smoother. Trust me on this. When you turn these off, your Firestick stops doing work in the background that slows it down. And your device just gets faster instantly. So turn these off if you haven't already. Now, the 4th tip is really important and something we often neglect. Restarting your Firestick properly. Believe it or not, most people don't reboot their Firestick. It's literally a tiny computer and it needs a refresh. To do this, we want to hold, select, plus the play pause button for 5 seconds. This is the secret reboot shortcut. Do this once in every few couple days and buffering goes down a lot. All right, the 5th one. This one nobody talks about, but it matters. Your internet provider can slow down streaming traffic, especially on sideloaded apps or high bandwidth apps. And because I stream a lot, I always run a VPN on my Firestick. It's a given. I personally use IPVanish. I've had it for years. Fast, it works great on the Firestick and stabilizes bad connections. If you want to check it out, the link is in the description. There's usually a discount. You don't need a VPN to use your device, but if your app buffers a lot or fails to load, this fixes it. And here's a bonus tip I mentioned earlier. What you want to do is you want to go to settings, then go to preferences, then go to featured content. You want to make sure you turn off allow video autoplay and turn off allow audio autoplay. This stops your Firestick previews from loading in the background while you're navigating your home screen, and it frees bandwidth and reduces lag. And that's it. 5 easy fixes to stop buffering on your Firestick. If one of these work for you, drop a comment and let me know which model you're using. I read everything. And a quick reminder, we are almost at 50K subscribers. If you sub today, comment, let me know that you've joined. I want to thank you personally. Again, I read all your comments and I reply to as many as I can. And if you need help or any tips, join the private Facebook group, The Honest Fred Crew. Link is below. I'm Honest Fred. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.